In front of me is iPad Pro 13 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to launch Photos app and select one of those options at the top. After locating all of your photos that you wish to get rid of, hit select at the top right corner and then select all at the bottom left corners of all of those sections. Now to keep some of those photos, tap on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use this bin at the bottom right corner. Then hit delete photos and wait. Last but not least, hit OK in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!